Two powerful AI content creators, Jasper AI and Copy AI. Which one really delivers? On the left, Jasper AI, advanced, built for SEO-optimized content in 2025. On the right, Copy.ai, efficient and fast for short-form creation. Let's skip the marketing hype and dig into what actually matters. Each category gets its score, so you'll see exactly which tool comes out ahead. The final winner may surprise you.
All right, so before we jump in, here's the roadmap. We're talking pricing, features, content type, ease of use, collaboration tools, and integrations. Yep, we're covering all the bases. Let's get into it.
Let's kick off with pricing. Jasper AI, it's got unlimited words in the creator plan, and you get these nifty integration options. But honestly, you're going to notice the price creep up if you want those fancy advanced features. Just something to keep in mind if you're watching your budget. Now, Copy AI. Oh, and here's something cool. It starts at just $29 a month for unlimited words. That's super affordable. Higher tiers get a little restrictive, sure, but overall, if you want to save some cash, Copy AI comes out on top for pricing. Next up, features. Jasper AI is seriously packed. Advanced AI engine, long-form content, even SEO integration. It's like having a superpower. Though, not gonna lie, there's a steeper learning curve and it's pricier than most. On the other hand, Copy AI keeps things easy breezy. Tons of templates, fast results, and it feels pretty plug and play if you just need something quick. But if you need that heavy-duty, long-form stuff, it starts to hit a wall. Bottom line, Jasper AI takes the win for sheer feature depth. Let's talk content type. Jasper AI honestly just runs the show here. It can do anything from blog posts to full reports and even custom workflows. But sometimes, whipping up those detailed pieces can eat up more time than you'd expect. Now, Copy AI, you want something for social posts, ads, or quick blurbs? It's fast, efficient, and totally geared for short-form stuff, not so much for those deep dive articles. So if you're working on big projects, Jasper is your go-to.
Did you know both Jasper and Copy AI use AI to streamline content creation? So whichever way you go, you're getting some real futuristic tech behind the scenes.
Ease of use. That's where things get interesting. Jasper AI gives you power and customization, but if you're brand new, it might feel like you need a mini course just to get started. Copy AI, though? Super user-friendly. You hop in, get onboarded fast, and boom, you're making content. Customization's a little limited, but honestly, for most folks that just want simplicity, Copy AI totally wins in the ease of use department.
Collaboration tools now.
Jasper AI? Yep, it's built for teams. Multi-user collab, real-time editing, all that fun stuff. Just remember, you do need to level up your plan for the best options. Copy.ai has some custom workflows and a shared knowledge base, but it's not as heavy-duty for collaboration. So, if teamwork makes your dream work, Jasper's the top pick. And finally, integrations. Jasper AI integrates with Surfer SEO, and you get API and Zapier access. But overall, fewer app connections. Wish there were more, honestly. Copy.ai steps it up with tons of app connections via Zapier, and even works with MailChimp. Specialized SEO stuff is a bit lacking, but for sheer breadth of integrations, Copy.ai edges ahead. Let's see the score breakdown across all the categories. You can really spot where Jasper pulls ahead in features and content type, but Copy.ai is super consistent for budget and ease of use. So here's the bottom line. Jasper AI, it's a beast for SEO-driven, long-form content. If you're making deep blog posts or working with a team, that's your jam. But Copy AI absolutely crushes it if you just want to whip up short-form stuff and don't want to spend hours learning a platform. In a nutshell, go Jasper for big projects, go Copy AI for quick hits.
All right, thanks for hanging out. When it comes to AI writing, just weigh your needs, long form or short form, solo hustler or team player. Check out both tools, try their demos, and find what clicks. Catch you next time.